Today I will share with you the iF17 installation tutorial part 2. The installation scheme: choose the ITX motherboard and ATX power supply, and the 280 water cooler, and GPU within 336 in length and 135 in width, or GPU within 330 in length and 142 in width. First, remove both side panels. Unscrew the screws at the tail. Gently push to remove the side panel. Next, remove the integrated L-shaped shell. Unscrew these 4 screws on both sides. The shell can be separated from the inner frame. Unscrew the excess copper pillars in the chassis. Install the motherboard I/O into the chassis. Use round head screws to fix the motherboard and plug in the CPU power cable. Thread the cable from the hole above the motherboard to the back of the chassis. Plug in the motherboard 24-pin cable. Put the motherboard front I/O cable, pass through the cable hole under the chassis. Then thread the cable back to the front of the chassis. Plug them in the motherboard. There is a 2.5-inch hard drive position on the back of the chassis. Screw the quick fix screws on the HHD. After connecting the cables, gently push it to the back of the chassis. Next, install the fans at the top of the chassis. The fixed position of the fan at the concave holes. The bottom support a 3.5-inch hard drive and a 12 cm fan, or 2 12 cm fans. Fixed position as shown. Then insert the graphics card and fix it. If the graphics card is short, if there is still have space in front of the chassis, you can also install a 2.5-inch hard drive. Next, fix the PSU to the PSU holder. Note that the power fan faces to the lower side of the holder. Use copper pillars that have just been removed from the chassis. Screw to the holder. Keep both ends of the holder at the same horizontal line. Connect the power cables. And connect the PSU extension cable. Put the PSU into the chassis and fix it. Fixed position as shown. Turn the switch on. Fix the radiator to the water cooler holder. The direction of the I/O pump toward to the flatter end of the holder. Install the CPU block. Circle the pump along the CPU block and fix the radiator. The fixed positions of the radiator holder are shown in the picture. Turn on the switch and check it. Make sure the hardware is installed successfully. Reinstall the shell. Due to the side radiator, broadside need the ventilation space. We can swap the side panels on both sides of the chassis. And tighten the tail screw. The installation of 280AIO for this scheme of iF17 is complete.